think that?
They say it could put your life at stake, and once you drink it, you can't go back.
Happy birthday, Grimace. What is on your Amazon wishlist? You've given me everything and more, and you're the new friend we're looking for. Happy birthday, Grimace.
Let me just say, you're my favorite purple guy. You're the friend that I wish I could multiply.
Who cares about Ronald and the other guys? You make me so happy that I could just die.
You're the type to leave no child behind. Anyone you just want to